Здравствуйте, мальчики и девочки. Посмотрите, у меня пришла посылка. Заказывали мы ее с Винюшей. С Винсентом. Vincent, you wanna help me?
I gotta wash some dishes. Good, good.
Okay. Open.
Give me the knife.
It's so cute! Isn't it?
Cute, you don't even see it yet.
I see the legs. Короче, это инструменты для нашего камина. О,
Fireplace, man.
fireplace, man.
Just shovel.
I thought he's actually, I didn't think that he's like that.
Open that up. Don't those things. That's probably his face. I told you to be careful with those knives. That was a big cut. That's a big cut.
Very big, it so hurts.
Go wash it. Go fix it. My goodness, you cut the goddamn thing right down to the knuckle. You're so clumsy. Wrap it up tight with some cloth for a while.
Huh?
Wrap it up with some tissue. They got the paper.
Okay. Oh, it's so sharp.
I told you to be careful of them. I told you they're very sharp. I told you that. Let me do the opening, okay? You're very clumsy.
Oh, it so hurts.
I bet you.
I
Cut it
think
deep.
it's like tailbone.
Yeah, I know. I know. I seem to go in. It's very bad. It's going to be bad. I'd have to keep pressure on it, put a Band-Aid on it tighter. It's going to keep on reopening. It's right on the knuckle. That's a bad one.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Yeah.
What is here?
Well, we've got stuff that still has to be attached.
So is everything short though?
You need a little broom.
But why are they so short? It's poker. Oh, poker. Oh, they're so sharp.
Yeah, told you. Kept on telling you, be very, very careful. This stuff is very, very sharp. Yeah, that's a bad one. That's a very bad one. It's right on the knuckle too. That's going to be a very hard one to fix. There should be something I got to put across so we could hang all this stuff.
Вот видите, какую купили мы штучку. рыцарь будет держать наши все инструменты для камина.
Chop,
Yeah.
chop. Gotcha.
Пока. Я, видите, как обрезалась сильно. Нож-то острый-то. Купили с острые ножи.
Very deep. Deep one. Look at that. They got the broom. Where's the broom? Where's my broom? You see it? Where's
It's
my
right
broom?
there.
Oh, right there. There it is. My broom is here. Where's the top? Missing the top piece. Here it is. They gave you 2 brooms. This one's got, we'll put this one on first because it's got the thing. In case one goes bad, you got another one.
Oh, it's two the same brooms.
Yeah.
But one is, look. Oh, you just put bronze here. Bronze, right?
Broom.
No, but material is like bronze.
But, oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a bronze look to it.
Вот так вот. Все что-то придумываем. Yes, baby?
Huh?
Придумываем. Say, придумываем.
Придумываем.
Yeah.
Придумываем.
That means we always made it up something.
Ah.
Think of something.
Yeah. Okay, so we got that. We got this. We got this pokey. We got our shovel.
But why poker is not... I thought it's supposed to be like sharp.
Well, that poker, you just want to roll.
Okay, yeah.
You go like that, you roll
Yeah,
it.
that one is sharp.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
You just want to roll it.
Pokey.
Pokey, pokey. Pokey man.
What is that? Oh, this look like a deer. Deer.
Deer?
Yeah, like a deer horns.
Where? Oh, like this, like.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Deer horns?
No, not here.
Yeah.
Not on the front. No.
No?
Of course not. Look, it's in the back.
In the back? You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yes.
So that means I gotta put it through. Oh, I see. So nobody could see it.
Exactly.
Oh, so you don't want to be able to see it. Where is it?
Yeah.
Doesn't want to go together.
Yeah, but that is going from another side, baby.
You can't. It has to go through the threads. It's out there. You put your stuff on up here.
Okay.
Then you got this other thing that clips on over here. Yeah, this clips on in the front. That's for his, this thing comes right down alongside his hand. This clips on here. Uh-oh. Doesn't want to unscrew. Uh-oh. I might need a new screw.
We got our tools.
Yeah, we're just going to tighten this. Take this out of the way. Try to get this out. This is going to be a real pain in the butt. Buttski.
Patski.
Stripped. I might need a new screw. We'll see.
Человечка собираем. Маленького. который будет жить в нашем доме и охранять наш камин. He gonna our bodyguard, right? Now we're not gonna afraid nobody.
He's gonna stab him.
Yeah.
Everybody comes in, they're gonna stab him.
Он говорит, их проколет своими инструментами.
Hey, hold that so it stays up straight. Hold this. Not like that. I gotta screw it on the side. Okay, we're not.
I just use this thing, you know. Okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, like that. There you go.
Палец-то поранил, он в крови весь.
You stuck your finger pretty good. I don't have my socket set. It's at work, so I don't know. I have to try to tighten it with this until I get my sockets. There we go. Nice and tight. Yep. That's where it's going to stay. It doesn't want to stay that way.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's put everything how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Give me the other stuff.
Let's do it this. Like that. Oh.
Yeah, give me that. There you go.
That's it. Yeah. Oh, how cute this guy.
Yep. How's it?
Запасная, видите, щеточка здесь, чтобы чистить.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna use that. I'll use the other thing. You put that somewhere over in here once you get rid of Santa Claus. But that's it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All
It's
right, baby.
done.
Thank
Yay,
you.
It's all done. Now you get to clean up the mess.
Вот такой вот у нас солдатик около камина будет стоять и дежурить, чтобы никто не пришел со злом. Всех с добром только будем пускать. А теперь надо убрать весь этот вот бардак. Все эти коробки. А?
What did you say?
I just say just we're gonna clean mess.
Yep. That's your turn.
Yep, okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Papa.